What's up guys, it's Osiris. Welcome to a brand new video. In this video we'll be taking a look at the t.bone SC430 USB microphone. This is one of the most versatile microphone I own, and this microphone costs $50. So this is one of the best USB microphone I've used, under $100, and we've seen why it is in this video. Let's get right into it. So the SC430 microphone is a microphone from t.bone, and you can get this on thomann.com. So let's look into the box and let's see what this comes with. So opening the microphone now, we can see this comes with a microphone guide. This shows you how to use different types of microphones and how you should be using the t.bone. And this is a really cool guide to have in a microphone box. This also comes with the t.bone technical specifications manual, and this is a really handy manual. We can see this is a super cardioid microphone, 30 Hz to 18k Hz. You can see the frequency graph and the polar diagram there, and it's very interesting to have a manual, a paper manual, come with the microphone. So right now I'm recording into the SC430 USB mic itself, and this microphone comes in a plastic bag with some silica gel to keep away humidity and moisture. And I'll take it out of the bag right now. And this is a very solid microphone. It has a solid build. This is all metal chassis, and even the grill is metal. So we can see it comes with a gain knob, and this feels very, very sturdy, and it has two knobs, a gain knob and a volume knob for your headphone monitoring, and it has a mute button as well, so you can use this to mute the microphone signal. This also is USB-C, and it comes with a 3mm headphone jack for monitoring or for listening to playback. So this has its own inbuilt sound card, which sounds pretty good. We'll be comparing this to other microphones later in this video. So the t.bone also comes with a tripod stand, and this is just an easy way to set your mic up for podcasting or for recording your music. And this is a very sturdy tripod stand as well. It's metal, everything is metal, and this feels very, very strong. It comes with a mic holder, so you can clip your t.bone into this and you can screw it into your tripod stand. So let's see how that works. So this also comes with two USB cables, a USB-A to USB-C, and these are very long cables. I believe they're about 2 meters in length. And it also comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable. These are very quality USB cables. So this is the microphone I carry around with me. Particularly when I'm traveling, I just put this in my bag and I can use this for anything. I use it for attending to meetings, I use this for streaming, I use this for recording music, recording quick ideas. So this is my carry around microphone, and that's what I use it for. So it fits every need. It's quick to pack, it's USB, and it has a very decent sound card that can translate my ideas well. And I've even used this to record some covers for artists. So this is a very, very great beginner or great starter microphone, and even as a professional you can work with this to achieve good results. So I'll switch over to my digital audio workstation now so you can see the comparison with the Rode NT1 microphone. So this is the SC430 USB. It's facing me right now. So now I'm close to the SC430 USB microphone. I'm not using a pop filter and about 10 centimeters close to the 430. And now I'm far away from the 430, about 40 to 50 centimeters away, and this is how the SC430 sounds from a distance. Now I'm about 3 meters away from the SC430. I'm 2 to 3 meters away from the 430, and this is how the SC430 sounds from a very far distance. Now I'm recording into the Rode NT1 about 10 centimeters away. I'm recording into the Audience ID14. I'll increase the volume to match that of the 430 at the start. I'm recording into the Rode NT1 and I'm 10 centimeters away without a pop filter. And now I'm about 30 centimeters away from the Rode, and this is how it sounds from a far distance. Now I'm 2 meters away from the Rode NT1, and this is how it sounds from a very far distance. And now let's hear how the SC430 sounds with a singer on it. So I'm going to switch my DAW session and we'll compare the SC430 USB mic to other mics in a plain singing recording session.
Baby, I'm taking the blame. I should have said it if I never had love for you. No, I could have walked away, but it was obvious I was just having fun with you. Now that it's over, I'm feeling okay. I'm better without it. Baby, I'm taking the blame. I should have said it if I never had love for you. No, I could have walked away, but it was obvious I was just having fun with you. Now that it's over, I'm feeling okay. I'm better without it. Baby, I'm taking the blame. I should have said it if I never had love for you. No, I should have walked away, but it was obvious I was just having fun with you. Baby, I'm taking the blame. I should have said it if I never had love for you. Baby, I'm taking the blame. I should have said it if I never had love for you. Baby, I'm taking the blame. I should have said it if I never had love for you. Baby, I'm taking the blame. I should have said it if I never had love for you. Baby, I'm taking the blame. I should have said it if I never had love for you.
So yeah guys, that will be all for this video. That's the t.bone SC430 USB microphone. This is the most versatile microphone you can own under $100, and this microphone has been very helpful to me. It sounds very great for the price and you can't go wrong with this. So check the link in the pinned comments or in the description below to purchase this, and if you have any questions about this, let me know. I hope you learned something new from this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.